Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily defeat the hand demon without having to do much. So as you can see, his HP is dropping from 3000 to 2229, and all we're doing is just spamming our range attack. So now Lightning has a range attack. We're both water users like me and this guy. So we're just spamming our range attack and he's not able to hit us once. We've lost one life because we were careless and we allowed him to hit us, and he's gonna kill you super fast. So we lost one life, but as you can see, I've done 10% damage, 14% damage, and 4% damage. So you can just sit on this corner, keep doing this for like 5-10 minutes, and he should be dead. It is a very long procedure, but as you can see, it's working quite well. Right there, I hit him again. 11% health left, and over here you can see the damage percentage as well. So yeah, it is a very boring process, but this is way better than all the other techniques that's out there right now. So yeah, so I hope you found this video. I'll see you guys once I'm done beating him, just to show that it does work. And my teammates left, but as you can see, I finished. I got absolutely nothing from the chest, but I finished it, and now as you can see in the bottom, it says Ubayaki Chester dialogues in 30 seconds. After that, that's it. And with that being said, sorry, that was my teammates in Discord with me, but after that being said, that's about it. You have now completely done the Demon Slayer challenge. You are now officially a part of the Slayer Corps. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.